Today I'm back at Lowblock DIY, and this is just some of the extra footage that I had left. But it actually bangs out, man. This is a lot of good bank to ledge footage and some of the homies going ham. So yeah, man, I actually break my board at the end of this, and y'all know I just got this board, man. But that's what I get for having a non-flight. Now I like this bank to ledge because this is probably the biggest one in the city at any park, in my opinion. If there is a bigger one, let me know, because I'll go destroy it. Because I love a bank to ledge. This is probably the highest or biggest one. If there is a bigger one, I haven't found it yet, but I'm about to go up on it.
First tee.
So I barely skate drops without a flight because I know I'll break my board. But I'm trying to learn these down sets, the fakie front side.
Watch out, Rena. Wait a minute.
Skating off this baby drop end up being the demise of this board, which end up break. I knew it was going to happen, man. But oh
Watch
well.
out, Rena.
My 2-year-old skating phenom, Madison. Yo, this child really be skating around it too like it's no tomorrow. No help.
Daddy mode engaged.
Yo, the homies was getting so hyped, man. Dog hit the big boy tray. I really wanted to skate this drop, but I knew for a fact I didn't have a flight deck, and I knew I was going to break my board. I just kept looking at him over there. I was so mad because I definitely had a bunch of tricks I wanted to throw down, but I couldn't do it. That's why I was over here skating the bank to ledge. Eventually, it wore me down, and I went and tried a trick. 2 tricks later, broke the board. Finally got the half cab back nose. I need to try that nollie, like nollie back tail. That'd be hard. Eventually, I'm going to try to half cab flip into one of those, or half cab heel back nose. I'm actually going to try it today when I get to the park.
All right,
Because I
James
definitely got half cab heel and half cab flips. And this is where things took a very bad turn, man. They wore me down. They looked like they was having so much fun. I had to join the party, y'all. Had to. And party over.
Well, no skate for me.
Man, they didn't pop my balloon at the party.
Dang,
now I'm sad. I'm going home.
Another non-flight. Alright. What else I gotta get?
What else would you get on a broken board?
No, I'm going home. I'm saying whatever we need to get before I go home. I'm going home. I mean, like my stuff.
Oh, no, your pants are all the way over there by the ramp. Let me get.
Yo, y'all, thanks for watching, man. That was the rest of the DIY footage, man. We're in a hotel, and this is crazy, y'all. Hold up. Back y'all in. What's up, James? What's up? The boy got the whole kitchen in there. Whole living room, double TVs, sweet bathroom. But yeah, man, listen. That was the end of the footage from the DIY, y'all. I broke my board. Every time I get a board that's not a flight deck, gone immediately, bro. Then I was like, I'm not going to skate this drop no matter what, because I know I'm going to break my board. They was having so much fun. I'm like, oh, man, let me at least just warm up a little bit. Next thing you know, I started off with a trick. You don't need a fakey big spin off something if you got a board. Like, if you're heavy, in my opinion. And I'm heavier. But I got them tricks, dog. But I just got to get a flight, man. So I'm going to order one soon. I actually got a different board right now. It's not a flight. That's going to go bad immediately. But either way, y'all, I tried it, man. The homies was doing tray flips on the drop. It just got me too boosted, man. I got too hyped. And look, y'all, for one, I'm doing my end of video talk, not in the bed. One of the homies like, hey, man, just quit doing them drinks in the bed, man. It's making me feel uncomfortable. Look, but you can only see my face now. I get it, bro, because when I used to watch Brian Arnett's videos, I used to be like, bruh. Or not, who was it? J Films. I'm like, J Films, man, why we always got to see your nipples every time we watch the videos? I don't like it. It's not cool, bro. So I got y'all on that. Yo, the video's going crazy, man. The I invented a trick video. I'm not even going to comment on it right now, man. I'm going to just drop something and talk about it, man. But it's going crazy. I think the short's at 14,000 views, which is my biggest viewed short right now. And the regular videos at like 1,700 for like 50 hours of watch time or something. It's going up. So y'all check it out, man. If y'all haven't seen it. Yo, I got some new stuff for y'all, bro. Some new rail tricks. I ain't going to get into it, but just know, bro. Nah, I'm going to tell y'all. All right, yo. So I'm going to get y'all with the, I'm going to try to get a long front salad on the round rail. And I definitely got back blunt now on the round rail. So y'all about to see that coming soon. Savage Life!